Alright, so here we're looking at the most recent thing to come out of the MintSpark Electronics shop, something I have dubbed the CoCo MX, which is just a circuit board replacement, and it is an exact fit for the stock keyboard mount, which allows you to use Cherry MX switches. So right now I only have one solder in there, which I have it on the G key. And I had to salvage the old connector and cable from the old one, which normally you don't have to do, but I didn't have the parts on hand to not. So just a real quick test. I'm excited because this is one of the few things that I actually might release to the world to have. And the enter key and space key are set up for PCB mount stabilizers. So let's go ahead and fire it up. I'm on a big screen here, so you have to forgive me. But I'm going to press the switch, which should put the letter G. You can hear it's working perfectly. And then to test the other ones, what I've done is just shorting these terminals out. So I just shorted Y out a bunch of times. I actually just dropped the loop in there that I had. But there you go. So it does work. And next is going to be having a plate made for it so that it will actually be able to mount to this case. As you can see, I didn't really put any mounting holes in the circuit board yet, as I have not quite figured out what I'm going to do to mount it. But essentially, the keyboard plate is going to be something like this with appropriately sized keycaps and these little mounting tabs. So the idea being that it should mount to these stock boards. Now, if you're not against modifying this plate, which some people are against that sort of thing, and I get it. The only reason I don't care is because my TRS 80 is beat to hell anyway. I might try and repurpose this little mounting plate here to, to actually work with this. But for the time being, this is what we have. And it works. Imagine that.